What's up guys, I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and today I'm going to be covering Kendu Inu. If you enjoy this style of content, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. As always, none of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Okay, so this is actually my first time talking about Kendu on YouTube. And some of you guys might think it's an interesting time to be talking about Kendu because you can see that Kendu's down almost 30% in the last day. And if you look at the chart, you can see that it's just had a decent pullback. And this is actually part of the reason that I am talking about it today. You guys know I don't like to talk about projects after they've already exploded. I usually like to talk about something after it's had a little bit of a pullback or before it's exploded. Anyways though, Kendu is currently trading at a $24.5 million market cap. Now some of you guys might ask, why am I talking about this project today? Well, if you guys follow me on X, I actually posted a poll. Which project is your favorite many undervalued meme coins right now? And I put Hoppy on this list, Cocoro, Kendu, and Breakout. And as you guys can see right here, Kendu actually destroyed the competition. And it's interesting because I've posted about Hoppy so many different times on my channel. I have a lot of the Hoppy community that actually follows me. And I have never one time publicly posted about Kendu Inu, and Kendu Inu destroyed this poll. So that right there showed me that the community is legit. And regarding Kendu, I do want to be transparent. I have talked about this project for a long time in my Discord. I first put it on my consideration list February 7th. So there's definitely a chance that some of my Discord does hold this project. But I'm telling you right now, I am very impressed with this project. They also recently had a very nice explosion. From the lows, you can see that Kendu ran up about 320%. That's the kind of move that you're looking for when you're looking at these mid-cap meme coins. You want to see a project that shows strength when Ethereum shows a little bit of strength. Now again, some of you guys might ask, why is Kendu selling off right now? Well, that's also because if you look at Ethereum, Ethereum is selling off. If you guys have been watching my content at all, I've been talking about the 200-day moving average a ton. And I've been saying that we need to see Ethereum break above this level. And it looked like we had actually gotten the breakout and we were going to have a very strong close, but then Ethereum got a hard rejection. And now Ethereum is all the way back down to 2,577. And as we stand right now, we're actually retesting the 21-day. And these are the two levels that are very important to watch right now, the 200-day and the 21-day. Whichever level breaks is probably the direction that we're going to be heading in the short term. Just understand that. But Ethereum is just in major consolidation and it's causing a lot of meme coins to pull back with it. But you could also argue that that's very good because it does give you a discount if you missed out on some of your favorite projects. Anyways though, if we take a look at the Kendu website, Kendu, we don't gamble, we work. So Kendu is a movement that empowers you to turn your life goals into reality. Take initiative and the community will fuel your journey. What is your dream? And if you scroll down, in general, they have a very nice website. And then if you come over and you look at their X account, it's also very well set up. They have 32.3K followers. And as you guys know, I am personally someone that loves to see a gold check mark. So I love that Kendu has a gold check mark. I know in theory a gold check mark shouldn't matter that much, but a lot of investors do look at that kind of stuff. But I like that they are extremely active on here. They are always posting. I think that is very important with any community. You need to keep your community engaged. Now, the other thing that I really like about Kendu right now is on Etherscan. So when you look at the Kendu holders and you scroll down, you can see right here, wallet number 28. You can see that this wallet currently has $118,000 of supply. This right here is their marketing wallet. See, a lot of projects out there don't have a marketing wallet, and that hurts them in the long run because they don't have funds to actually get stuff done. That's not the case with Kendu. They have over 100 grand. So this in itself already elevates the project to a higher level than most projects. But yeah, today's not going to be a super long update on this project, but if you guys are interested, then I definitely recommend checking it out. Again, it's down almost 30% on the day, which is actually a very good sign if you are potentially looking for an entry. And to be clear, I'm not saying that you have to buy this project. It is still extremely high risk as it's a meme coin, but you never want to chase a massive explosion. All of that being said though, if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Kendu, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. We've been making huge gains in here this entire bull run. Just over the last 3 weeks, my Discord has nailed 2 different 100x projects. And in the previous run-up, we nailed 6 different 200x projects. And if you just look at the crypto gain section, my Discord is printing on here every single day. Obviously, past performance does not equal future performance, but the gains are very impressive. So if this is the kind of community that you'd like to be a part of, you can find the link right here on my YouTube homepage. I'd love to see you guys in here. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments whether or not you guys are bullish on Kendu. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.